Hello YouTube, here in this video tutorial I will show you how to fix the site is experiencing technical difficulties in WordPress. There might be few things you need to consider before solving these issues. Might be a plugin issue, it might be a theme issues. Okay, we will cover each of them in this video, so let's do it. When you see this, the site is experiencing technical difficulties in your WordPress site, you definitely would not be able to log in or view your website. So you need to log into your control panel, then go to File Manager, then Public HTML, and there in the root folder of your WordPress website you will find wp-config.php file. Open it in a editor, then go at the bottom and near the bottom where it says that's all, stop editing. Here you will find wp-debug equal to false, so we will make it true to your UV and hit the save button. It will allow you to view the error visually, so you know where the problem is and you can actually fix that. Okay, and then if you visit your site, for me it is tutorial.demosection.com, and you see it says the problem is a parser error and it is for the plugins classic editor. Okay, so I will go back to my file manager again, then go to WP content where it says, you see, WP content plugins. Okay, so then plugins, and then it says classic editor, and this is the classic editor. We will just rename it to bad, okay, because this is causing the issues. So once we rename any plugin within the WordPress folders, then WordPress just make it deactivated. So this is the plugin the source of the issues, and WordPress just deactivated it. It should clear the site is facing technical issues error for your WordPress site. Okay, so if I refresh the site and the site is loading really fine. So you see how to find out exact problem for your plugin or theme, and all you just need to reach out the plugin developer or theme developer to find out the cause of the issues and fix that for you. Okay, so this is the easiest way to do and fix the technical difficulties in WordPress. Finally, I will just recommend to get a WordPress maintenance service provider. Many of those issues can be avoided by providing updates and edits over to a WordPress expert. Like the team at Rapid Website Design, our #1 goal is prevent the errors like this from happening in the first place. For a yearly few $100, you are going to get high performance hosting, unlimited edits, and we deal with the errors that may arise and resolve them faster when needed with no extra cost to you. Also, we take backup of your entire site and restore the site when needed. So you always have peace in your mind that your online presence is always up to date and running for you. Thanks for watching, and if this video solved your problem, please let us know by leaving a comment below, liking this video and subscribing to this channel.